What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be installing a recharge system, French drain, around this pool. We're going to be having the French drain start here, go all the way down to the corner to the mini dry well, and the same thing over here behind the pool. We're going to be having it go from where the end of where we have the pipe here all the way to the dry well as well. Sadly, they made us use 18-inch corrugated pipe here. Depending on what your plans say for your recharge system, that's what you end up having to do. Usually we end up using 4-inch, but in this case the specs called for 18-inch. So this is what it looks like now, and we're gonna get digging. All right, well, now we have our dumpster delivered and we have our rock delivered. Now it is time to get to digging. Here we go, and now we've got it all dug out all the way to the dry well in the corner. We've got our dry well, and we got our trench all the way from the back left of the house at the gate all the way down to the dry well. Now it's time to filter cloth and get some rock in there. All right, and now we have it all completely filter clothed, overlapping, so that way there's no gaps anywhere. At the corner will be the end of the dry well. See the French drain, everything is filter cloth and overlapped the entire length. Now we have to add rock into it before we put the pipe in. All right, here we go. And now I have the side where the big 18-inch corrugated has to go. I have it 12 inches deep of rock. Now I'm going to put the corrugated in there, filter cloth around it, and rock the rest. All right, and now here's our 18-inch corrugated and perforated pipe in the ground, wrapped in filter cloth, because you can't buy sock this size, and into the dry well. We have it all set up and ready to be fully rocked now. And here we go. The drainage system in the back of the house towards the gate starts at the beginning of the left side of the gate, all the way down the right side to the side of the pool, all the way down to the dry well. As you can see, we have the level, we are downhill to level, and now it's time to rock everything. All right, everybody, and here we go. This is a French drain and a recharge system around the pool. This is exactly how it looks like and how it will be done. Right here we got the exposed rock on the top, and the customer can put filter cloth over it and put their nice decorative rock over it, because nobody wants 3/4 trap rock being exposed as their final decorative rock. So all they gotta do is put filter cloth on, cover it up with the good stuff, and they are done. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.